Hi everybody, Paul here. I've got a part here that has some rust on it, so I want to show you how easy it is to remove the rust with what's called ultrasonic cleaning, which cleans the surface using high-frequency pressure sound waves to agitate the liquid. Ultrasonic cleaners come in all different sizes. I'll put the part in a bath solution using 50% distilled white vinegar, 50% distilled water, and a couple drops of dish soap. You want to make sure the entire part remains covered with the solution during the entire cleaning process. I'll probably let it clean for around 10 to 15 minutes. Look what a great job it did. The rust is all gone. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.